Welcome! If you've ever wanted to add a little extra flair to your conversations on X, formerly known as Twitter, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to send emojis in a chat on X using your PC, all with the latest update. Let's get started. First, open up your browser and head over to the X website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen and click on the Messages tab. This will take you straight to your inbox, where you'll see all your recent conversations. Find the chat where you want to send an emoji and click to open it. Now, here comes the fun part. At the bottom of your chat window, you'll notice a row of icons. Look for the smiley face, that's the emoji icon. Click on it, and a whole menu of emojis will pop up right in front of you. You can scroll through the categories or use the search bar to find the perfect emoji for your message. When you see the emoji you want, simply click on it. It'll instantly appear in your message box, ready to go. If you want to add more, just keep clicking until your message is filled with as many emojis as you like. Once you're happy with your selection, hit the Send button. Your emoji-filled message will be delivered instantly to your chat, adding a burst of personality and fun to your conversation. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can make your chats on X more expressive and engaging than ever before. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.